Hi, Steve Donadio here with this week's Techie Tip. I'm here with RMS Fitness Equipment Services, and today we're going to talk about walking belt friction. Now, one of the most common issues that plagues homeowners today is when they're running, let's say, about 7 miles per hour for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then all of a sudden the unit just cuts out. Has that ever happened to you? Well, if it has, today we're going to discuss some tips that you can do at home before you call a technician to figure out what is actually causing that problem. So let's go ahead and do that. So at your treadmill, what you can do is you start it, and what you want to do is elevate the treadmill to its highest setting. And for this particular treadmill, it's 15%. So as it's going up and it reaches to its final position, the next step would be to turn off the treadmill. Now, once you turn the treadmill off, step on the belt, the main actual walking belt, and this is what you're going to test. Now, with this high elevation, the belt with your weight should glide fairly smoothly. Now, what tends to happen is as the belt ages, it wants to grab on the platform underneath, creating that added friction. And the more it grabs, the more heat that the motor will generate, in turn shutting off the treadmill. Now, if it glides fairly smoothly and you find yourself struggling to stay firmly planted on the treadmill, then chances are you might have other issues than a walking belt problem. But if you're finding yourself struggling to push the belt, the other thing you can do is go under the belt with your hand. See how hot it is under there or how dry it is, because oftentimes what you can do is for certain manufacturers you can simply just lubricate the belt or the platform, and for others you have to replace the walking belt because it's a maintenance-free belt. But if you're unsure of the type of belt or manufacturer that you have and the requirements, you can either consult your manual or you can give us a call at 410-529-5170 and we can answer any of your questions.